Are you ready to start object-oriented programming in Python? Well, in this short video, I'm going to be creating a small flight scheduler program. So let's start learning the concepts of object-oriented programming right now. So firstly, what we need to do is we need to create a class. So in object-oriented programming, we have classes and we have objects. So classes are a blueprint for what the object should look like. The objects are instantiations of the class. So in this case, we're creating a class called flight. So the flight is our class, and now we use the init constructor to specify values that will be contained here. So we have city, country name, time, and airline. Now we actually create the attributes, which will basically define what our object is going to be looking like. And so here now we actually start instantiating the classes. We actually create the objects of flight 1, 2, 3, and 4. So flight 1 is equal to flight Paris, France, 1800 hours, Air France. So now we're actually specifying those values that we started defining here. Now we create some print statements. So the first print statement welcomes the user to the program, and then the four following print statements will actually print out the output. Will print out the code that we are defining here, listing out the flights, and then we give it to the user to provide input on what city they would like to visit from JFK Airport. And then now we use if and elif statements in order to take the output and then be able to provide a appropriate response based on the output for whichever city that the user would like to go to. If we don't have a matching output, then the program will print, sorry, we don't have tickets available for that city. So let's run the code and let's see what happens. So the program runs and it welcomes the user. Firstly, welcomes the flight scheduler. We have tickets to the following countries: Paris, Berlin, Stockholm, and Tokyo. Which city would you like to visit from JFK Airport? Well, I like to visit Tokyo. So if I enter Tokyo here, the program tells me a ticket to Tokyo, Japan is $1,000. So that's a very short introduction there to object-oriented programming. I hope you find this video useful, and thank you for watching.